Title: The Enchanted Forest Adventure. In a world where magic is real and animals can talk, two adventurous kids, Mia and Max, stumble upon a hidden portal in their backyard that transports them to the enchanted forest. This magical place is home to talking animals, mythical creatures, and ancient secrets. The forest is beautiful, with trees that glow, rivers that sparkle, and flowers that sing. However, all is not well in the enchanted forest. An evil sorcerer named Grimlock has cast a dark spell that threatens to drain the forest of its magic. The animals and creatures of the forest are losing their sparkle, and the forest itself is beginning to wither. Mia and Max, along with their new animal friends, a wise old owl named Oliver, a brave rabbit named Rosie, and a mischievous squirrel named Sparky, embark on a quest to find the legendary Crystal of Light. This crystal is said to have the power to break Grimlock's spell and restore the forest's magic. Character descriptions: Mia, a curious and kind-hearted girl who loves exploring and discovering new things. She is brave and always ready to help her friends. Max, Mia's adventurous and imaginative brother. He is smart and resourceful, always coming up with clever ideas to solve problems. Oliver, a wise and knowledgeable old owl who knows the history of the enchanted forest. He acts as the guide for Mia and Max. Rosie, a brave and loyal rabbit who is always ready to fight for her home. She becomes a close friend to Mia and Max. Sparky, a mischievous but good-hearted squirrel who provides comic relief and helps the group with his quick thinking. Grimlock, the evil sorcerer who wants to control the magic of the enchanted forest. He is powerful and cunning but underestimates the power of friendship and teamwork. Plot outline: discovery of the portal. Mia and Max find the hidden portal in their backyard and enter the enchanted forest for the first time. Meeting the animals, they meet Oliver, Rosie, and Sparky, who explain the dire situation in the forest and introduce them to the magical creatures and plants. The quest begins. The group sets off on a journey to find the Crystal of Light. Along the way, they encounter various challenges and puzzles that test their courage and ingenuity. Trials and tribulations. They face Grimlock's traps and minions, and each character has to overcome their fears and weaknesses. Finding the crystal. The group finally discovers the location of the Crystal of Light, but Grimlock is hot on their trail. The final battle. A climactic showdown between Grimlock and the group. With teamwork and the power of friendship, Mia and Max manage to defeat Grimlock and break the dark spell, restoring the forest. The Crystal of Light restores the magic of the enchanted forest, bringing it back to its vibrant and enchanting state. Farewell. Mia and Max say goodbye to their animal friends and return to their world, promising to visit again. Themes: friendship. The power of friendship and teamwork in overcoming obstacles. Courage, facing fears and standing up against evil. Environmental stewardship, the importance of caring for and protecting nature.